What I'm going to be talking about today is one of the most ignored places, the undercarriage of the kitchen. Plinths, or kickboards, which I will refer to for this video, are used to cover the space underneath the base cabinets so there are no gaps or openings as shown here. This is an early 90s kitchen we are in the process of remodeling. What I want to show you is the difference it makes when you refresh or replace your kickboards. Anyone can do this project. There are a variety of options to complement any style, from metallic finishes to a more natural look. And if you need extra space, try a pull-out drawer to your kickboards. Here, we will be replacing with a simple white wood board, just to highlight the upper cabinets of our kitchen. So subscribe and stay tuned for the reveal later on of the kitchen. Here are the tools we use to complete this project. Feel free to pause this video. We used a table saw for cuts, but if you don't have one, a handheld saw will be just fine. The pesticide was used as an extra pest barrier before we sealed the space. And a multi-tool will help cut into molding to get that perfect fit. Once all your cuts are complete, use your nail gun to attach the boards. And then for a finished look, we use a wood trim at the bottom and attach that with a nail gun. In the final stages, use a caulk gun to seal any cracks exposed, and go ahead and use some extra paint if needed. I recommend using a sealer, whatever you prefer, to help the kickboards hold up over time, because after all, the kitchen is the heart of the home. And here's the finished project, and this is without caulking or any sealant, and it still looks incredible. So go ahead and give it a try. Hi guys, here's your quick DIY hack, just a bonus project. I'm calling this project the Pan Planter. It's really quick and easy and will save you a lot of money. Just take an old rusted pan. We had a cooking pan, we didn't know what to do with it. And we saw that these pans are sold in the stores at ridiculous prices. So all you need is some Rust-Oleum paint and primer of your choice. I use the hammered finish with the dark steel look for a more textured finish, if you're wondering what I used. Now, feel free to add a hole in the bottom of the pan if you want to add drainage. But to keep this low maintenance for me, I recommend to use some fake plants, and I love succulents. So I chose to use some fake succulents to keep it beautiful 24/7. So to avoid those extreme costs, try this DIY hack, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more projects. Bye.